everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. We are going to go take a look at a cabin right down there, and it is right there with beautiful views of Big Bear Lake. So come check this cute government lease out with me. So here we are, and most government leases, they do not have parking, not great parking anyways, but check all of this out up here. National Forest, we're on National Forest land over here, but across the street you have it as well as a hiking trail right around the corner. So Cougar Crest, less than maybe half mile to Cougar Crest. So what I like about this is they've got this little gate here, and that is just makes it more private. People aren't just walking down to your house all the time. Close it up, and this is gonna be cabin 27 that we are looking at today. So here we are going down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I'm just gonna pause right here. Isn't this so cool? Water tank up above. That is the closest cabin to you. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. And the last one, 68. So again, here we are, 27 Big Bear Boulevard, Highway 18, set amongst the rocks down on the hillside underneath the road. Check this out. But first, let's go inside. Okay, so here we are entering, and check this out. So kitchen right at the entry, nice quartz white with a vane countertop. And then this is something so rare to see up in Big Bear. This is concrete. And then check out how they have the wood just kind of placed in there. Dual pane windows, updated. Nice tree view, just a lake view right here from the kitchen. And that concrete wall goes all the way through into the living room. Check out these hand-carved beams. Like the distress on those is beautiful. And then this is almost like a concrete tile. Yeah. Has a concrete feel to it at least. Updated appliances. And just because it's probably going to be a second home to somebody, little fridge, microwave. I like that they have no curtains in here. I mean, you have so much privacy anyways. But check out this plank flooring. It's beautiful. So they've got some nice area rugs in here just to kind of warm it up. And all the furniture. And this is a concrete wall as well. So you sit here, have a fire. I have a lake view while I'm sitting here out this window. And this is a gas fireplace. So with that, you can just turn this on. Good firewood area right here for storage. And that same hand-carved wood right here. If you had to have TV in the mountains, you could probably mount it up here. Look at this. A little chipmunk. He's cute. So this one is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and then you've also got like a little studio down below that you could finish off as well. The concrete walls. And then check out this wall. Just beautiful. Check out the view from here too. I can hear the boats out there. Somebody's parking. Then we're gonna go into bedroom number 1. Colors in here are beautiful as well. Did a very good job with the remodel. And then this is the closet right here. Check out these old school doors. Like these 5 panels. Like they make these nowadays, but I like this old original one better. And then here we're gonna transition from the wood floor back over to the concrete floor in the bathroom, and back over to concrete walls here as well as the tongue and groove. Just everything in here is just like impeccably done, a beautiful taste, simplistic. And check this out, like you're in the bathroom right here. Very large window. I can't imagine a better place to have a bathroom. And then this is like a concrete tile subway tile. Very large shower too. From all the way back, definitely 2 people could fit in here. And then this will lead into the 2nd bedroom. So again, views out this side, electrical panel out there. I know it has a light. Oh, I forgot it. I like all the raw wood in here. Really nice feature. Closet. Check this out. I think they said it's a cuckoo clock, I think. No, storage. And then this is neat. It's a family tree. So now I'm going to take you downstairs to the unfinished portion of the home. Oh, let's enjoy the deck first. So wraparound deck from the front of the house out here. So there is a road that comes down here, and there are other government leases down there as well. So here is that other unit. So partially done, like part of the plumbing's done. There's some electrical work done here. But just kind of more like a studio down here. Windows are obviously done too. This right here would be the bathroom. So shower back here. Probably just a shower without a tub. Sink right here. toilet. Tankless water heater. Probably swap the fridges too. Get the bigger one upstairs. And then this is gonna just be a closet right here. You could put a bed here. You do have laundry hookups though here too, so kind of fit it out however you'd like, but great for having that second space. I'm going to attempt to walk down in my shoes that I shouldn't walk down in. There's a door. Oh, that's the bathroom right there. So that's gonna come off there. But there is, I'm just gonna walk right here right now and I'll do a future video down here, but the water right here. And this road, you can use it, access road. There is also parking down below that you can park down below and hike up. But just a short walk to the lake access. There's really no better of a more private place in the woods than this to be at. Okay, let me know if you'd like to take a look. 2 bed, 1 bath, and it is about 800 square foot, not including this downstairs area.